Hello, in this video I want to talk about IT for Barristers Chambers. It's quite different actually to law firms. I mainly work as an IT consultant for law firms or Barristers Chambers, that's all I do. So law firms in particular are more complex in the fact that they'll have a case management system, lots of different tools, software and applications that either integrate with that or sit separately to it that they need to engage with. There'll be multiple locations. It's a very different way of working to Barristers Chambers. Now, the work I'm doing at the moment for a set in the north, we're looking at restructuring and simplifying their IT infrastructure so that they can operate in a hosted, secure environment in the cloud. And one of the things that's becoming apparent from this is there are tools and technology that are available within fairly standard and simple solutions, if that's the phrase to put it, in terms of how the IT infrastructure can be hosted in the cloud, how you can leverage the Microsoft suite of products and MS365 to securely manage that environment in quite a simple and effective manner, really, in terms of security and management of devices and individuals. Because obviously you've got a main set, the staff, and then you'll have the remote workers, which are self-employed individuals as barristers. But there is a simplicity available because your case management system will be mainly a Meridian or Lex. And outside of that, it's mainly diary management, email, security, file transfers. And a lot of that can be done in a simple way with hosting and Microsoft 365. And you don't need a lot of the previous extra additional tools and things to be paid for that you might have had historically. So I'm in the process of designing for a set at the moment, a simple, stable, secure IT environment that can be managed using Microsoft 365 in a hosted environment. And one of the things that's coming off the back of that is how we can leverage the simplicity of this environment that will be built to aid the support of the barristers and these remote workers and ensure that their devices are secure. So there's some simplicity available these days with the modern technology. And if you are a Chambers that's reviewing your IT infrastructure, the way that you operate with technology, if you are doing a review because you want to look at hosted, or you want a conversation around some goals and challenges that you have with IT and technology, and you want to talk to somebody independent that specialises in helping law firms and barristers' chambers, then give me a call. I'd love to have a conversation with you about the challenges you face, what you're trying to achieve, that desired future state, and see if there's any initial insight I can offer or advice I can share. And then from there, we can see whether or not there's an opportunity to work together at some point, either now or in the future. But it's all about starting conversations, building relationships so that people know who I am, what I do, how I help firms, how I can potentially help a law firm or barristers' chambers in the future. So I'm always available for a call. My phone number, mobile number is at the top of my LinkedIn profile, and my email address will be in the comments below. So if there's anything of interest or relevant in this post, feel free to drop me a line. Take care. Hope you're having a good week.